Artoonza.
Boom! Glitter Minecraft sword unlocked, kids! No pickaxe required. Who needs diamonds when you've got glitter, nail polish, and a vacuum cleaner that thinks it's a baby Enderman? Today, we're drawing a Minecraft sword with black markers, blasting it with yellow and green glitter so shiny even creepers will stop hissing.
Aww.
Then we'll glam up the handle with copper gold nail polish because swords deserve spa days too. Drip in some yellow color injections and finish with glossy green polish for that ultimate enchanted look. Ready to craft the cutest, sparkliest Minecraft sword ever. Let's build, laugh, and sparkle together. Let's go! Subscribe now so we can keep sharing fun stuff with you. Ready to splash some color? Let's color together. Give us a big thumbs up. This is so amazing. Oh, fancy! This Minecraft sword handle just booked itself a spa day with copper gold glitter nail polish. Even Enderman would be jealous of this glow up. It's sticky, it's shiny, it's adorable. Okay, fine, I love it. Handle check! With this glitter nail polish coloring, our sword is basically ready for a fashion show in the nether. Color injections, 1 tiny drop, maximum giggle dosage.
So cute.
Drip, drop, splash. We're giving this sword a vitamin boost with yellow glitter injections. Basically a smoothie for Minecraft weapons. And now the grand finale. Glossy green nail polish armor. This sword is so shiny, creepers might stop exploding just to ask where it shops. Smash that like button now. If cuteness were damage points, this sword is OP. Color, color, color. Don't be shy, color high. We don't just craft swords, we craft smiles.
Aww,
Keep
so
sparkling, hero. This is so amazing. Give us your like. Whoa, this glitter Minecraft sword is so shiny, even creepers would stop hissing just to take a selfie with it. I know you've got this. I'm sure you can do it even better than me. A big kiss to everyone. See you next time. Thanks for watching. We hope you had fun.